Dear students, today we are going to study about spherical mirrors, concave and convex mirror, and the terms related to spherical mirrors. So first of all, coming to spherical mirror. This is a type of spherical mirror. Now you can see that one side of the mirror is the shining side. If I keep something in front of it, I see an image of this pen inside the mirror. This is my reflecting surface and the surface which is behind it, and it is polished with a blue paint. This is my polished surface. Now, so reflecting surface has been represented by red pen and the polished surface has been represented by green color over here. Now dear students, a spherical mirror is that whose reflecting surface is a part of a hollow sphere of glass. Suppose this is a hollow sphere of glass. This is a 2D representation. It is a circle. A hollow sphere would be like a ball, a cricket ball. So if you have a hollow sphere of glass, then a curved surface which has a reflecting surface, that would be your spherical mirror. We generally represent spherical mirrors or mirrors with M dash. So this is your spherical mirror. Next, coming on to types of spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors that we generally refer to. One is concave mirror and the other one is convex mirror. Now, let us try to differentiate between the two. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface, again I am saying reflecting surface is with the red pen. So, a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards. See, if I curve my hand like this, you see a curve inwards. It forms a cave. So when the inward part, my palm, which is this one, and this is my back side, when the inward part forms a curved surface, that mirror is called a concave mirror. I again repeat the definition. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, that is, it faces towards the center. See, this is the center of the sphere. If I complete the sphere, this mirror would face towards the center of the sphere. Then it is called a concave mirror. Now, if I talk about the convex mirror, we can see it is the one whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. If I complete a sphere, my sphere would be something like this and my mirror is outwards. And if I complete the sphere here, the mirror would be inwards. So this was the two types of your mirrors. So next we move on to the terms related to a spherical mirror. For this we'll be considering both the cases, one for your concave mirror and the other one for your convex mirror. So first of all, let us talk about all the terms which are related to your mirrors. You can see from the figure I have marked different parts of the mirror. Number one is that we are going to talk about is your pole of the mirror. We'll take all the terms step by step. Now you can see this point P here and this point P here has been marked pole of the mirror. So how do we define pole of the mirror? The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. See, this is a spherical mirror. The center of this spherical mirror, which is this point, is called pole of the mirror. This is for your concave mirror and this is for your convex mirror. So for my concave mirror, the pole would be this one, and for my convex mirror, the pole would be this one. So how do we define pole of the mirror? It is the center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. It is represented by capital letter P. So our first part of pole of the mirror is complete. Next we come on to center of curvature. Now what is this center of curvature? You can see I have marked in the diagram centers, point C, point C. So this is your center of curvature. Now how do we define center of curvature? Dear students, the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror, be it any case, the red ink marked curve here and the red ink marked curved here, both the reflecting surfaces form a part of a sphere. This sphere has a center. and this point is called center of curvature of the spherical mirror. Now, the center of curvature of a spherical mirror is represented by point C. For a concave mirror, which is this, the center of curvature, the mirror, the reflecting part of the mirror is this. So the center of curvature of the mirror lies in front of the mirror. However, for a convex mirror, see, we have a reflecting surface here, but the center of curvature lies behind the reflecting surface. So this is a point of difference between the two. For a concave mirror, the center of curvature lies in front of it, and for a convex mirror, the center of curvature lies behind it. So this was about your second term, center of curvature. Now let us move on to the third term, which is radius of curvature. Now again, we know radius represents, this part represents the radius of a circle, but since we are talking about a three-dimensional figure, so radius of this sphere of which this reflecting mirror forms a part is called radius of curvature of the mirror. So if we consider a sphere, if this is drawn into a 3D figure, so the radius of this sphere would be the radius of this spherical mirror. I again repeat the definition. The radius of the sphere of which this spherical mirror forms a part, the sphere of which this mirror forms a part has a radius, and that radius would be equal to the radius of this mirror as well. So this, it is represented by capital R. So we are completed with the third term as well. Now coming on to the fourth term, which is your principal axis. Now you can see the straight line, this straight line, which is passing through center of curvature and pole. Again here, this straight line xy, here xy, it is passing through pole and center of curvature. This straight line which passes through the pole and center of curvature of a spherical mirror is called principal axis of the spherical mirror. So this is your fourth term, and now coming on to the last term, which is principal focus. It is represented by F. You can see F here and you can see F here. Now in order to understand this, we need to take the cases of both the mirrors differently. Now first of all, talking about concave mirror and then convex mirror. I'll give you an idea before we go on to the definition. See dear students, in case of a concave mirror, if we consider a number of parallel rays, when we have an object at infinity, which means the object is quite far away from the mirror, then we suppose that the rays of light coming from the object are parallel to the principal axis as well as parallel to each other. All the rays, you can see this ray, it is parallel to the principal axis, this ray, it is parallel to the principal axis, and they are parallel among each other also. Similarly, in case of your convex mirror, you can see that these rays are parallel to the principal axis since they are coming from an object which is lying at infinity. In case of a concave mirror, these rays, after reflecting from the reflecting surface, now again I want to tell you, since this is my reflecting surface, so this will be my polished surface here. And this will be my polished surface here. Okay. So, we see that in case of a concave mirror, all these rays after reflection from the mirror meet at a point. This point is called the principal focus for a concave mirror. Now for a convex mirror, all the rays after reflecting appear, they are actually not reaching this point. They are diverging from here only, from the surface of mirror, but it appears as if they are diverging from a point. And this point from where they appear to diverge or spread out is called the principal focus of a convex mirror. Now let us see the definition. For a concave mirror, it is a point where a number of rays parallel to the principal axis falling on the concave mirror after reflection from the mirror meet or intersect. So this point is where these rays after reflection, these parallel rays after reflection from the concave mirror meet. Now coming on to the definition for convex mirror, it is a point where a number of rays parallel to the principal axis falling on the convex mirror appear to come from, they are appearing to come from here or appear to diverge after reflection. So it would be better if I write here or appear to diverge. They are actually not diverging, but they are appearing to diverge after reflection. So this was all about the terms related to the spherical mirrors. So today we have completed with the definition of spherical mirror, the concept of spherical mirror, types of spherical mirror, concave and convex, and then the terms related to the spherical mirrors. Thank you, dear students.